Hi everyone! So today I'll be unboxing my iPhone 12. This is just a review unit, so I only got 64 gig. I got it in red and I'll be returning it. So I'm not keeping it, but get some videos out of it. So let's begin. So this arrived yesterday. Just that packaging. It's just so small. Like, look how small that is. Like, that is small. Like, look how small that is. Like, seriously, that is small. A small boy. It wants to get out. It's eager to get out. So. Let's see. Oh, actually. I like that red. A lot of people have been saying the red isn't red. It's not what they're, well, they're in the pictures and stuff. It's not the same as in the pictures and stuff, but I honestly like it. Before I put any fingerprints on it. Like that. It looks decent. I like it actually. I like it. I like that red. So let's take it out. Oh, I like how it feels. I like how it feels in the hand. Ooh, that's not paper anyway. Some kind of paper and plastic hybrid. Oh, it still gives the peel. Yes, it still gives the satisfying peel. I thought it'd be gone because they got rid of the plastic, but they kept the peel. Oh my god, this looks great. Look how that looks. Oh my god, I love it. Oh my. I'm obsessing over this design so much. Oh my god. The red is, it looks a lot better than I thought it would. Everybody was making a big deal over how it doesn't look anything like the photos. But seeing it now, yes, it's lighter than what Apple had in the photos, but I like it. It's a little pinker, but it's not as pink as I think people are making it out to be. Like, especially the sides, the aluminium sides. Like, they're not off at all. Let's turn it on. So, put that to the side for a second. So, as we all know, they got rid of the charging brick. One of the reasons the box is so small. So here is the USB-C to lightning cable, which I won't be using. I'll just be using the one that came with my current phone, because what's the point? And here are all the documents. Product red, cool. It's SIM jacks, which I'll need because I need to swap the SIM over from this current phone here to here. And one Apple sticker. They got rid of the other Apple sticker. You only get one. We don't need to care about the environment that much, Apple. We need 2 Apple stickers. Come on. We don't need to care about the environment that much. Okay, it's kind of cool actually. This little pouch that they come in makes it easy to tidy away as well for like the likes of these unboxings. So just put them away. Okay. And that's it. That's everything in the box. Nothing. But the phone. Oh, I'm actually really liking it. Oh my god. It's the first red iPhone I've had. So I've seen the other red iPhones in like stores and stuff. And like the XR, I don't really like the XR's red actually. It's a bit too dark for me. I think the 8's red and the 11's red. There are 2 good shades of red Apple have done. And I'm actually liking this shade red. If it will turn on, please. Thank you. Ooh, the wobble. As you can see, I have other products here that are all square just to keep with the theme. This is a pretty... Oh, okay. It's about the same thickness as the 5S. Okay. But the 4S. 4S is a bit thicker. Yeah, just a little bit thicker. Okay. Oh. That was weird. I'll go set this up and then we'll be right back. I'm going to compare it to the S20 FE, even though it costs like almost 200 to 300 euros more. Where is it? It's up here. Well, it's not the same as price. They're the same audiences with these two phones, so for the same audience. Oh, I love the red color. Ah, no, don't. Tint it. It looks good. It is kind of pinky, but not as pink as people were saying, or making it out to be. Like, I like how it looks. I'm finished setting it up, so, oh. It feels small to me. It's a big screen, 6.1 inches, but coming from my 11 Pro Max, which I'm using recording up there, which is 6.5 inches, it kind of feels small. It's weird. It's not like a small device, but it feels small to me. It feels kind of cramped, honestly, when I'm typing. So I think I'm just very used to the big screen on the Max phone. Because this just, it feels small. I don't know why. So, yeah, oh god, I'm getting all my reminders. Oh god. I have other square phones here to compare it to from the previous years. So, 5S, I have a gold one, and a black one, so space grey. And I have a 4S as well, in black, or is this 4? No, this one's the 4. In black, and it's like, I personally think that, oh, let's not scratch the phone. I personally think that the square designs are the best designs for phones. I think they're peak. I think that's honestly peak phone design, square designs. Like they look really, really well. I love them. Do not put the screen scratches really easily. Do not put that screen down. It's like even the iPhone 4. Like, ignore the cracks. Even the iPhone 4, it looks great even to today's standard. Even with the bezels it has, it's still great design. It looks great even to today's standards. Like that just, same with the 5S. Like they look great. Like look at them. The square design is a great design. I think that is much better design than round design. It looks more sophisticated, luxury, expensive. Like it looks like so good. And actually, let's see. See, the 5S had the chamfered edge and it was kind of a sharp edge. Same with the 4S, it kind of had a sharp edge on it. But with the 12, they've curved off the edges, so it actually doesn't feel as bad in the hand. Not that this feels bad, but it cuts into your. You can feel it like just cutting into your hand, your finger, or whatever. But with this, it doesn't feel like that. I still can't get over how this phone feels small to me. I used an 11 Pro Max for a year, and then this phone, which is 6.1 inches, again, the Max is 6.5 inches, so it's not a huge difference, but it feels like a huge difference. This phone feels small to me. I don't think I'd be able to use this as a daily driver. It just feels small, like for the typing and everything. But other than that, I like the red that it's in actually. I do like it. It's a bit muted, but I like it. And the screen looks gorgeous. It's the same as the 12 Pro screen, so I am finished with the unboxing now. So I should be able to get a few more videos out of this phone. I'm only able to keep it for a week and a bit, because I need to return it within the 2-week period to get my full refund. But I really like this phone so far, apart from the size. Like I've said a million times in this video, it feels small to me for some reason. The keyboard, I feel cramped when typing. I guess I'm just way too used to that max size. But yeah, I have a few more videos, so that's it for the unboxing. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and check out the podcast I do with my friend Conor down below. It's on loads of platforms including Spotify, Apple Podcasts, Anchor, and others. They're all linked down below in the description down there. Check out the music I use for this video, and be on the lookout for those other videos. Ciao tutti, and thank you for watching. Bye!